In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view open rates in Lemlist. So start by heading over to campaigns in the left panel. Then next is open up the campaign you'd like to analyze. So here in the funnel lead process section, you can actually see the open rate metric and the percentage of recipients who opened your emails upfront. You can also scroll down to see open rates per step in your sequence. This helps you identify which subject lines or emails are performing best. In the left panel, you can also use filters to narrow results by date or specific segments if needed. And if your open rates are low, consider improving your subject lines or checking your deliverability settings. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!